Hi, Alexis and Monica. I wanted to offer you some feedback about your unpacking the Endrew case. The Endrew case was heard by the Supreme Court, and school leaders all over the country were hoping that this case would really reconcile the differences of interpretation of the Raleigh case, as the circuits had been all over the place. And when I look at how you unpacked the case, you did a really nice job um, in demonstrating your understanding about the importance of recognizing the IEP must be calculated based on the individual child's data, and it should be reasonably calculated to guide the child in making progress based on the consensus of the team who's made a full assessment. Um, I really appreciated the comment that you made at about 6.51, where you said it's the professional's duty to share our judgment, but it's important to consider the parents what they want as well. And that's really where school officials in this case went south, because they kept presenting an IEP that the parents said, well, this is just a repetition of the IEP that had been presented before. Uh, when I look at your headline, you speak to the fact that the school failed to provide a FAPE, but you don't say in the headline the message that school leaders should take away. And the totality of your message really does convey that. And so that was important for me to note, that you did understand that. However, the headline for the message map should indicate that it's important to assure that a student's IEP is informed by individual data and it's reasonably calculated to assure that they make progress more than the de minimis, as Justice Roberts noted in the opinion. But, and apparently no one mentioned to you, and I know I hate it when something's going on and no one tells me, because I clearly don't know, is that your video, it cuts out at 4 minutes, 39 seconds. So people weren't able to follow both visually and through listening the message that you wanted to share relative to your case. But overall, I think that you did a great job. And even though the video did cut out, you just kept unpacking it, and you were able to convey the interpretation of the case just through your oral recitation. So good job. Thanks for the work that you're doing.